Namah Shivaya. Hi everyone. My name is Anand Mohan. I'm an alumnus of Amrita Vidyalaya Medapalli. I am a batch of 2009 who wrote the 10th standard board examinations in Amrita. And right now I'm an IAS officer serving in Tamil Nadu. Right now I'm the sub-collector of Arandangi, a subdivision of Pudukkottai district in central Tamil Nadu. So today morning when I received a message from Ambika ma'am and Chandramati ma'am asking me to do a short video about my experiences and my memories about Amrita, I was so happy and I was so glad that to speak about an institution which has given me a lot, which has helped me a lot. And so first of all, let me take this opportunity to thank all of my teachers, to just touch their feet and seek their blessings, for always blessing me and for always praying for me and always guiding me, and to and seek their blessings forever and ever. So I came to Amrita in my 7th standard. I still remember it was the middle of an academic year. So my father was working in Kannur at that time and he got suddenly transferred. And I came to Amrita in the middle of an academic year, all scared, very skeptical about being accepted into this new atmosphere. So, but I should say from the first day onwards, I was welcomed with a lot of love, a lot of warmth. And I never felt out of place. I was welcomed as one of their own. And the school just showered me with a lot of love and care. And I cannot start talking about the school without mentioning the teachers. I have been blessed with a lot of wonderful teachers all through my life, like right from my kindergarten days to my school, to my college. And after college, when I decided to prepare for civil services, even there I was helped by a lot of wonderful, brilliant teachers. But none of all my teachers in Amrita are so special to me. They have showered me with so much love, so much care and affection that I can say that they are my favorite teachers. Sometimes in life you feel alone. Sometimes in life you feel that your problems are bigger than ever, and sometimes you just feel alone and scared. And when I face such moments in life, there is a strength that flows to me. When I close my ears, I feel kind a ringing of a silent prayer in my ears, and I believe that it is the blessings of my teachers, that who are still looking out for me, who will still call me and ask me, Anand, if you're doing all right. And I am forever grateful for all of them, for their prayers and blessings, and it is the biggest strength that I have in my life. Teachers in Amrita Vidyalayam, I mean, I can't name anyone, but all of them, every single teacher, Chandramati teacher, Soumya teacher, Sri Rekha teacher, Gayatri ma'am, Geeta ma'am, each and every one has helped me, has touched my heart, and has influenced me in one way or other. I still remember, I think it was in 8th standard, for our annual day celebration, we were doing a skit in which it was a satire on the entire political situation in Kerala at that time, and Chandramati teacher was our guide for that skit. And ma'am, after the skit, appreciated us a lot. And came up to me and said, Anand, you should do a lot of social service. You should try for a career in civil services. Even though at that point in my life I had no idea that one day I would become an IAS officer, but I think it is one of the most defining points in my life. It is, I think, for the first time when someone has told me that, Anand, this is the path that you should take. And I feel that the teachers at Amrita has always guided me, nudged me to make a better person out of myself, to trudge on the right path. And they've always been my side, and I still feel their presence by my side, and that gives me a lot of confidence and strength. Talking about my road to civil services, again, I owe a lot to my Amrita. The core fundamental values that I hold is of selfless service, of humility, and of integrity, and courage in the face of difficulties. Everything is what I've imbibed from my few years at Amrita. the values that the school has inculcated in the students, in me, has stayed with me for so long. And I think that is the biggest gift or the biggest lesson that Amrita has ever taught me. And the second biggest thing that Amrita has given me is the confidence that I have. All my teachers were always egging me to go on the stage to perform, not only in academics but also in extracurricular activities. They were always trying to push me and make me a better person out of myself, and it has given me a lot of confidence. And it is with that confidence that I think I was able to clear one of the toughest exams in the world, and right now to be successfully doing one of the toughest jobs in the world. And I will forever be grateful for that, to my teachers at Amrita. And the third thing that I would like to share with you is that I cleared my UPSC examination with Malayalam literature as my optional subject. For my graduation, I did mechanical engineering. So basically, I studied Malayalam only till my 10th standard. That is in school, and that is in Amrita. So when I was first contemplating whether which optional subject should I choose for the examination, the first person I called was Srirega teacher, who was my Malayalam teacher in my 10th standard. And I asked her, teacher, do I have what it takes? Can I take Malayalam as my optional? And teacher just gave me a lot of confidence and said, Anand, just go ahead. I will help you. My prayers are there with you, and you will be able to clear. And I cleared in my first attempt itself, and I scored really well in Malayalam. And I think it just shows how much I have learned from Amrita, the kind of values, the kind of academic and extracurricular activities, the kind of impact that it has had on my life. I cannot end this note without mentioning about my friends in Amrita. A few of my best friendships in my life, the few of the closest friends I have in my life who are still with me, are from Amrita. Amrita has blessed me with so much wonderful friendships, and friends who I've learned a lot from, friends who have supported me when I was at my lowest points in my life. And it is a family. I should say that Amrita is the first place where I felt I belonged, that I did not feel out of place. I felt that I belonged in this place, and I still feel that I belong in the Amrita family. And with all my teachers always supporting me, and all my friends just at the other end of a phone call, who I know will rush to me if I have a problem. Such wonderful friends and such wonderful teachers. I'm forever grateful for Amrita, for teaching me so much and for giving me so much. And I don't know how I can give back all these. The only promise that I can give Amrita is that I will always hold dear the values that the school has taught me. I will always hold those values of selfless service, of humility and integrity so high that I promise that I'll never ruin the name of Amrita Vidyalayam and the teachers there. And once again, I thank all my teachers and friends at Amrita. Thank you so much. And I look forward to contributing back to my school in whatever little way that I can. And thank you all.